Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is science and nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which of these people was not an astronomer? Is it A. Edmund Halley, B. Edwin Hubble, C. Christiaan Barnard, or D. Johannes Kepler? The answer is C. Christiaan Barnard.
Christiaan Barnard, renowned for performing the world's first successful human heart transplant in 1967, was a pioneering cardiac surgeon rather than an astronomer. His groundbreaking medical achievement took place in Cape Town, South Africa, and marked a significant milestone in medical history, forever changing the landscape of organ transplantation.
Question 2. What subatomic particle is used to arrange elements on the periodic table? Is it A. Electrons, B. Neutrons, C. Protons, or D. Quarks? The answer is C. Protons.
Protons, positively charged particles found in an atom's nucleus, determine an element's atomic number and its position on the periodic table. This arrangement reflects each element's unique identity and chemical properties. Interestingly, the number of protons also defines whether an atom is stable or radioactive, influencing its behavior in nature.
Question 3. What is the word for a group of kittens? Is it A. a fall, B. a stud, C. a gang, or D. a kindle? The answer is D. a kindle.
The term kindle for a group of kittens is as charming as the playful bundles it describes. This delightful word shares its roots with kindling, evoking images of warmth and coziness, much like a pile of purring kittens snuggled together. It's a perfect fit for these tiny, curious explorers.
Question 4. What is the word for a young mule? Is it A. a cria, B. a lamb, C. a foal, or D. a bunny? The answer is C. a foal.
A young mule, known as a foal, is the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. Mules are renowned for their strength and endurance, often inheriting the best traits from both parents. Interestingly, mules are usually sterile due to having an odd number of chromosomes, 63 compared to horses' 64 and donkeys' 62.
Question 5. A boomer is the male of which animal? Is it A. cow, B. squirrel, C. crocodile, or D. kangaroo? The answer is D. kangaroo.
In the world of kangaroos, a boomer isn't just a term for older generations, it's the name for an adult male kangaroo. These impressive creatures can leap over 25 feet in a single bound and reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour, making them true athletes of the animal kingdom.
Question 6. From which plant is the poison ricin obtained? Is it A. lily of the valley, B. water hemlock, C. giant hogweed, or D. the castor bean plant? The answer is D. the castor bean plant.
The castor bean plant, from which the deadly poison ricin is derived, has seeds that resemble ticks, hence its Latin name Ricinus communis, meaning tick. Despite its toxic reputation, the plant's oil has been used for centuries in medicine and industry, showcasing nature's duality of danger and utility.
Question 7. What is a male panda known as? Is it A. a tom, B. a boar, C. a drone, Or D. A macho. The answer is B. A boar.
In the world of pandas, a male is charmingly called a boar. Despite their hefty size and bear-like appearance, these gentle giants are more akin to raccoons than bears. With their unique thumb-like appendages, boars skillfully strip bamboo leaves, consuming up to 40 pounds daily in their leisurely feasting rituals.
Question 8. Who invented the elevator? Is it A. Elisha Otis, B. Thomas Edison, C. Marshall Rivet, or D. Maxwell Hoff? The answer is A. Elisha Otis.
Elisha Otis revolutionized vertical transportation in 1852 by inventing a safety brake for elevators, making them safe and reliable. His dramatic demonstration at the 1854 New York World's Fair, where he cut the elevator cable and safely stopped its fall, captivated audiences and laid the foundation for modern skyscrapers.
Thanks for joining our scientific safari. We hope you had a blast and your neurons are buzzing. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.